we start?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do we need Auntie?
Mm,
He took the girls away.
no, it's okay.
No,
I think
okay.
I have another meeting with Auntie after an hour.
Okay, so I will take turns.
Yeah.
I take the girls and you can meet him.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So,
I think Jennifer, we have called this meeting in order to showcase what we have done till with our translation editor that Kunsang had been working on.
okay.
So what we are trying to show is like I think we have done a small demo to Miko also, but
Oh,
I as we all know, if we don't have any real life user using the tool, it reaches some saturation where it stays like that. That's why now we are
yeah.
expecting real life user to join us in order
Yes.
to use the
Okay.
tool and then
Yeah.
um, you know use the tool and then get feedback on how they are you know finding the tool.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Right. Okay.
so that's why I think to start with we have reached out to you and uh, yeah, so I guess Kunsang will start the demo, and
Okay.
he has also prepared a release note, which is basically a document in which we will list down all the things that we have worked on this particular release that we are presenting you
Oh,
today.
okay.
So
Okay.
in future we will be having this kind of session after every 2 week,
Okay.
because we consider uh, one sprint. We consider 2 week as one sprint. So after
Mhm.
finishing every sprint, we will be having this kind of session where we will be presenting the features that we have completed in the sprint, and we will be sending the release note, which is like release
Okay.
documentation.
Okay.
Yeah, I think right after the release, what should I say, sprint review, he will be sending it to you via email. And
Okay.
then, yeah, you can
Okay.
give us feedback on how he has worked on.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
over
this
to
is
you,
the
Kunsa.
demonstration.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, it's close.
Network is little bit slow.
Okay, Kunsan, can you directly show it from there? I guess it will be more convenient
Okay.
from the web application.
Yeah, I can do that. But yeah, first the release note. I prepared it here in the GitHub. So I will share the link with Jennifer after this meeting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
One second. Right now you can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we go to translation.pecha.tool.
Okay. Translation special tool.
So you can go there and create your project here. Right now I have two projects. One is made by Kande, and he has shared it to me. He has given the permission for me to edit on it. And another one is his project which was made by me. I can just delete it here from now.
Kunsan, can you start from the login page? I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do we need to record this, or
We.
it's quite straightforward?
I'm recording it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
If you log out from that translation.pecha tool, you will come to this workspace.
Okay.
This is like a common page where you log in and you can use multiple tools there. Translation is one of them.
So Jennifer, in order to give you a little bit context, it's
Mm.
um, like Google Suite. We have multiple
Like a Google Sheet.
Google
Oh.
Suite, Google Suite. Like we have Google Sheet, Google Doc, Google Slide, like that. So
Oh,
the
yes, yes.
workspace is like Google Suite or like the Google Workspace. where
I
you
see.
can get access to multiple Pecha related tool like translation
I
editor,
see.
image transcriber, audio transcriber. We will be implementing those things also. So with
I see.
single account you can access to the whole tool. So as of now,
I
since
see.
Kunsang has logged in, he will be showing us today the translator editor.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I can log in from my Gmail account.
Yes.
Okay. Anybody can, or you have to
Anybody,
authorize?
anybody can.
Anybody.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay.
Okay. After the login, you can click here to use the translation editor. This will bring you back to the translation editor. Okay. Now we create a new project here.
Okay.
You can name it something like change it V1 or whatever name you want to give it. Okay. Then in each project you can upload a root text and it can
Okay.
contain multiple translations for that root text. So
Oh,
in order to
okay.
make a project, first you have to upload a root text.
Okay.
Okay. You can select the language of the root text here, like we are uploading a Tibetan root text, and add a file here. Add a
Okay.
file. Now, after the upload is done, you can review the text here. You can review the text here. This is the uploaded file. So if you have, you want to change the file, you can just remove and upload again.
Okay.
Okay. If
So this is the information of the text you just uploaded.
yeah, this is the
Right.
content of the text.
Okay.
Okay. If it's fine, then you can just click on here to create the project. Okay. Now Chinju V1 is visible here. Okay, you can change the name of Chinju V1 here to with update or delete it. That you can do. Okay. If we go inside the project, you can see the content here. The
Mm-hmm.
text we just uploaded.
Mm.
Okay, now you can make changes on it, like you can make it bold or make it a header or anything on the root text,
Mm-hmm.
and plus you can create comment on it. Like
Oh, nice.
now, if you want to check the comment, you can click on the highlighted one, or you can just click here to view all the comments that are on the root text. See, right now we have.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Plus, there's the versioning system here. So if you click on this clock-like icon, you can see all the versions here. Right now, we have only one initial version, which was created when we uploaded the text. Now, if you
So
make
the
some
version,
changes, yeah,
different version is when you close it. That's one version, or how does it know it's a different version?
no, this version is created when you uploaded the text. Now, if you make changes and create another version here, like we say,
You have to explicitly mention.
Oh, you have to say now this one is version 2, then it becomes second version. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Now if you click here, it will create another version here.
I see, I see.
Now what you can do is you can switch between them by just clicking here. This is the initial text and the version 2 and version 2 is this
I
one.
see. Okay.
You can do that. And if you want to create a translation for the root text, you can click on the first one here.
Where?
Here, the first logo.
Okay.
You can see
Okay.
here.
Oh, yeah, I can see. Yeah.
Yeah. Then you can add a translation here. It's same like you are uploading the root text. You can just select the language of the translation. Let's say the Sanskrit translation and upload the text file.
What does that mean? You already have a Sanskrit translation.
Yeah, if you already have a translation file, you can upload it like this.
Oh, but
And if you Yeah, if you don't have a translation file, you can just, there are other ways to get the translation. One is from
Okay.
OpenPecha API, which is we are working right now, so it's not uh, ready yet, but we are working on it. And
Mm-hmm.
one is AI generated. You can create
I
translation
see.
using AI. That we will go
Oh,
at last.
I see. I see. What does it look like with the AI generated?
Yeah,
Can I
that
try
one,
that?
yeah, we can go at last.
没有找到吗？啊？你们没有找到迷宫？啊，是啊。哦，sorry one second。好，在我车上，那谁去拿？好，那你可以请，sorry one second，你可以请妹妹穿一下长裤吗？
而且我们要玩是草。
哦，我怕蚊子叮啊，会不会？好不好？蚊子这个防蚊液可以带着吗？再给你防蚊液带着。OK，sorry，可以 continue。OK，sorry，you can continue. So what would it look like with the AI generated thing?
Okay, I thought of showing it on last. Yeah.
Oh, okay, sure. You do it according to your plan. So.
Okay. Yeah. This is the text that we just uploaded, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you click on this, you can see the translation. I need to show some pending. You can see the translation here, the Sanskrit one.
Oh, I see.
Now,
可以，这边可以点餐。Sorry, one second. Daughters, one second. 我帮你点餐好吗？Okay, sorry. Okay, we continue.
Okay. This is the side-by-side view of root and translation.
So this AI
Now,
generated
both, yeah.
2, 3. This is actually matching.
This, yeah, you have to match it manually right now. Yeah, but
Okay.
yeah, both text editor are same. You can whatever you can do on the root text editor, you can do it on the translation also, like
Okay.
making headings and all this.
Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Can we do
now,
English? I don't know Sanskrit. Sorry.
okay, we will
Just
do,
sorry.
Okay,
And this is a free, letting people use AI generated with the paid cloth or free cloth.
I didn't know.
Do you understand my question? Is this
No.
cloth haiku a paid version or free?
Okay, this one is paid version, but right now we are using our credentials, the one we are using. Let's do one thing. We can create AI generated translation. Let's do English translation.
Kunsang, can you
Yeah.
wait a minute? I think this file will be too big for AI translation. Can you try with another text?
I'm actually worried you give to translators to test and they're going to do very long text. And
Yeah.
if it's charging open page,
No.
are you ready for that?
Yeah, we are ready for that, but I think with the within the duration for this particular demo, I guess it would be more convenient if we showcase another one. Gunzan, what do you think?
Yeah.
Sure.
That's one thing. Yeah, we have also option for users to upload their credentials. Like if you go into the settings, we can, the users can upload their API key here. This way they can choose their models from.
Most of the translators would not know how to use the API.
Yeah,
So
that's
they will use what you offer them.
that's one thing I'm worried about.
Yeah,
will
they
not
would
know how
not know. And actually, if they know it's so convenient, all the translators have text they have been wanting to translate. They cannot generate with the AI. They're going to use your tool, bum, 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 and you'll be burning your credits. Really, I know every translator I know have dream text that's saved in their computer. They haven't translated.
Mm-hmm.
You have to be careful. I think the AI generated one, you either set a limit or you need to say only certain people. They need to kind of let you know how much they want to translate. For example, Calden, you know our translators in China are waiting for the whole four Akamas.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so there's a lot of text. They will use AI. 怎么了？爸爸没有带你买吗？ Sorry, 1 second. Can you give me 1 second? I just order some food for my daughter.
Sure, no
1
problem.
second.
근데 가제 경알 땅에 띵거를 충분한 거 뚝셔.
Ni khel tang sai.
오케이. 이게 뭐도.
Di mare tiring bo shada mare. Di taring bo mare. Jema na nganzo demo dendu tambara. I think wait a minute.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, sorry. Okay. So we'll continue. Just one suggestion is about what kind of AI you allow translators to use, or set the limit of how many characters for testing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This is the root text. We are going to generate an English translation for this.
Okay.
Okay. This one here, there's an option for segmentation here. So it's like if you want to use the segmentation you have in the root text, like all the sentence you have, all the new lines you have created in the root text, you can use that, or else you can use our segmentation tool. We have a script for that, the part of one. We can use part of one.
I see.
Now we need to use the original segmentation and generate it.
Is this group change segmenter? The sentence segmenter?
Yes.
Sentence segmenter.
Is it group change one? Okay.
Yeah.
Group change one,
你
yeah.
们两个去那边好吗？会吵到我们开会。那你用另外一个。Sorry, I'm telling my daughters, please go to the other table. You can hear their sound, right?
No problem.
Yeah.
请你们到旁边去，宝贝，你用这个。OK， 好，去旁边吃，谢谢。
Yeah, Jennifer, we are actually translating Buddhicharya Avatar, second chapter.
Oh.
Okay, so I think it's finished.
It's done right.
Yeah. It is the translation. Whole translation took 12 seconds.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. Okay.
I see.
Okay.
And this is matching or not yet matching? Translator need to manually match it, is it?
Okay, this one was using Pecha actually. We faced another.
Yeah.
I haven't tested yet.
Do you understand my question? Like the sentence number and is English and the Tibetan matching or not matching?
It will be matching.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
It should match if we are not using Pecha, the sentence segmentation.
Oh. Wow. That will save a lot of time.
Actually, it should match.
It should match, but I think you need to rename the.
妹妹小心，
Okay.
那边有洗手间，
This
请
is
你去那
this
里
is the
洗
new one.
手后面。
So I don't
Is this
think
the
it's
new
working
one?
right now.
Kun-sang?
Yeah, it is supposed to be the new one. See,
And homie-
No, can you rename it
Seconds
at
ago.
least? Yeah, can you rename it? Delete. Can you delete
No.
both? Can you delete both
No.
both of them?
你去后面洗手，
Kun-sang, can you delete
或
both
者
of
你
them,
陪妹妹去买一下。
please? And
No, you
redone.
can just check by the time actually.
Okay. Can you recreate the translation? Can you use the same segmentation as the source one?
Actually, this was supposed to get the segmentation from the first one.
Okay.
If we disable it.
Okay.
But I don't think it's doing that.
对，你可以去帮我买卫生纸或湿纸巾吗？帮我收的。哦，我在这里，你去买一下，那边有洗手台、洗手间，然后帮我买卫生纸跟湿纸巾哦，谢谢。啊，等一下还有披萨。
No, it's not doing that. Okay, I need to fix that.
Okay. As of now,
It's actually not.
the segmentation is not matching. The alignment is not making, but not matching. But the translation is able to. We are able to generate the translation. Obviously, we are we need to work on the AI generated translation part. We do have a dedicated AI translation pipeline which we have been experimenting with our AI engineer. But this one hasn't been incorporated in this one as of now. This one, the current editor is using a simple AI prompt to generate the translation. That's why we are facing some issue. I guess it will be fixed in the next sprint. Yeah. So, other than that, I think we have sync. Kun-sang, can you show the sync one?
Yeah. Now, both the editor have table of content for each editor. Then you can see the headings of all the. Let's say if we have a heading here, table of content will show the headings here.
Like Google Doc.
Like Google Docs, yeah. We can show.
I
the
see.
headings. Same goes to here. We can
How did you do that? What do you have to click?
we can just click on the line segment and just choose the option H1 from here.
Oh, I see.
You can create
Oh, I
multiple
see.
headers.
Okay. Got it.
That way, if you unlock both of them, you can just sync through. If you click on the
So when you add the subtitle, the heading in Tibetan, it automatically do it for the English as well?
No. You have to create on both sides.
Or you have to do 2 times, English and Tibetan?
Yeah. As of now, we have to in this particular editor. As of now, if we create a heading annotation in the source text, it has to done manually on the translation text. But I think later, if we are comfortable with the segmentation and all those things, I think we can definitely automate that thing.
Yeah, because it make more sense, right? Like
Yes.
you only need to do it 1 time.
Yes.
可以，我可以吃那个，你等披萨来。And then this will roll together if you roll down the Tibetan, the English. 对，这边 English will roll down together.
Yeah, if you select a header on the table of content, okay, you have to unlock it. If you click on the first header for the second translation one also rolls up automatically.
好，谢谢。杂货店有吗？没有，那就算了，那你就下来，你洗个手 ，OK。哎，不要丢我的皮包 ，Can you bring it down? Okay.
Yeah, choosing a header will choose the header from the translation also. And
What if I'm not choosing the header? I'm actually rolling down the actual text.
okay,
right?
that's
Then-
another way to think. Let's say we don't have this table of content,
Uh-huh.
and if I click on a line number here, The line number will show up here also. Same line.
Click
line
on the
number.
non-number.
Yeah, that is clicking on the line number. Yeah.
Oh.
If I click on 30, 30 will show up here.
Oh, I see. Okay, so click the Tibetan 30 and then the 30 English will come up as well.
Yes.
Mm.
That's one way to sync. Another way to sync is you can just click on the footer here, sync option.
Oh.
You can
Okay.
select scroll sync. Now you can scroll one editor, one text, the other will scroll with it.
Yeah, okay. I think the scroll one is what people will be. It's more natural. The scrolling sync
Yeah.
is, but maybe some translators will want. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
good. So there are a few options for them to find
Yes.
the syncing text.
If you want to have
Scroll
click
sync,
sync,
click sync, no sync.
click sync, you can just click on the content and it will sync.
Okay. Is it possible to do footnotes here?
Footnotes here. Yes, but we have implemented it yet.
I see.
We were planning to make it.
Okay.
Because just such a habit translators have.
Mhm. Okay. Kunsa,
So what would you like me to do is try to
yeah. So
translate with the existing features?
okay.
Or
Yeah, so I think Jennifer, as of now, what we would like you to do is definitely we will share the release note, and we will be also sharing the video also, which we had the session, and on top of that, we will also share you the link, the edited link to you. You can create an account and you can try to work on a real life translation, like a small text or something like that, in order to test how it is functioning. And we also have a share feature which Kunsang missed to present as of now. I think Kunsang, can you show the share share functionality?
Yeah. Okay, if you click on the share function here, you can just share it to any user. Like I have-
Jennifer@gmail.com.
No, first the user need to log in to the actually.
Oh, okay.
User have to be existing in the application in order to share.
Can you?
Okay. You can give him right access here and add it. This way you can manage all the users who are collaborating on the same project.
Oh,
Yeah,
this is like Google Doc. I can
Yes.
ask people to collaborate on this translation.
exactly.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's really nice.
Yeah, and as of now, we also have an export option down there where you can download the translated documents.
I
If you
see.
click on this,
Great.
you can it will download a zip file containing all the documents you have in the project. The root text, translation, all those.
So you will come in either root text or either root text with the translation or two separate files.
Okay,
Because
as of
I know normal cat tool
Yeah.
export in two ways.
yeah, so as of now we are exporting it in as a different file. One is the root file and one is the translation file. But if there is a requirement of a bilingual text also, we are ready to implement it. This is totally up to you as a user or a stakeholder. So yeah, I think now I guess it will be
Bilingual is almost more used than
okay.
single language.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, cool. So I think we will okay. I guess in next sprint we will try to rework on the AI translation, and we will export in bilingual. And other than that, do you find anything that we need to work on the next sprint that you come?
I don't know how difficult it is, but as I shared, like the table of contents,
Mhm.
ideally only do one time.
Okay.
In one language,
Okay.
and then the other one automatically will show the same thing. I don't know if it's complicated.
Yeah, we will definitely try. And then I guess you need footnote, right?
Footnotes is like, actually, to be honest with you, all the translators I work with, if there's no footnotes option, they almost just for that they don't want to use it.
Okay.
Because they forget what they want to add, and it's impossible to ask them to come back and do that again.
Okay. Sure.
So I don't know if it's very difficult to add that feature.
So I guess it won't be exactly same as the Google Doc because we don't have a page concept here as of now. But we can definitely add a footnote feature which looks similar to comment thing, where it will have a annotation like a number or something like that, and when you click on that one, it will show the footnote itself like a comment. Does it sound okay?
When you export, will there be footnote?
Yeah, when you export, it will be exported in a normal Google Word document where there will be footnote.
Oh, I
yeah.
see.
But while presenting it on the editor, it will look like a comment. I think this is the closest thing that we can build within a sprint. Kusan, what do you think?
I see. Sure. But later you can build it look like a footnote or no?
Later, definitely. If the requirements come, we will definitely try to work on a page concept on the editor, and then when we have a page concept, then I think footnote or re-implementing that particular feature that we are planning to implement as a footnote can be incorporated as a normal footnote.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then for the Kangyu and Tengyu translators, that Beiduma note is what they really want to have.
Yeah.
So, is there any plan in terms of how you provide the Beiduma notes?
So, I think we can. We will be having a suggestion. Pedurma note can be added as a suggestion. We haven't implemented that one. It's like a spelling suggestion.
It's like you can create a comment here, like this. See, what is this? Now you can make suggestion here.
No. Kunsang, I think it is not. I think the way you are explaining it is quite confusing. Can you select the men part in the second line? Samatamana men. Or can you select the medok? Yeah, okay. Can you select the men? Or can you now can you have a comment? Okay, now the question is, Kunsang, we need I don't need this kind of thing. We don't need this kind of thing. No. Kunsang, it's not like that. What we are talking about is like we need we need an annotation where we can have another spelling option for Samadhamana men.
Okay, that's what I was talking about.
Yeah.
If you are giving a suggestion, you have to explain why you are giving.
Okay.
So that's what comes here.
Okay.
I don't think it's correct.
Okay.
Now you can give a suggestion word.
Just write manamen. Yeah. Comment.
Now if I comment it,
now how does it look?
it should look like this.
Okay. We are not actually talking exactly like this one. What Jennifer and we are saying is like you remember Pedurma, right, from the Lopenling?
Yeah.
From Lopenling, do you remember there is a option where you can click on a certain syllable where it will show different spelling option?
Yeah.
So we need that feature thing.
Now if we implement that, it will look similar to this one. If we implement that on this one.
Yeah.
The comment will not come here, but all the suggestions will come up.
Okay.
Oh. And you will highlight you will highlight there so you know there are suggestions on
Yes.
the right side.
Yeah,
No,
just
yeah.
like comment. For suggestion, it will be like no highlighting. That kind.
Okay. Right.
No.
Right. Okay.
No.
So I don't know if it's possible to implement that in your next spring, but this will be a big attraction for
No.
people who translate the Hungarian tank.
No.
Yeah, we can list that down in our workload.
Last.
Let's see how much work.
Okay.
That's all.
So any text will be fine, right?
That's all.
Okay.
Any TXT file will be fine.
Okay. TXT file.
That's all.
Text file, normal TXT file.
Okay. Can I see again in your translation
Last
language
check your
options? What languages
Last
do
one,
you
let's
have
check.
at the moment?
Okay,
That's all. That's all. That's
Tibetan, English, Hindi, Italian, little Chinese, Russian, Sanskrit, Chinese.
Okay. Good.
Okay. So I think we can put the Pedurma thing in another sprint or something like that,
Yeah.
right?
It's
So
more complicated.
yeah, I think it is another type of annotation that we want to see in the
Yeah.
editor. But yeah, I
Yeah.
definitely we can look into it. Yeah, as of now we have seen that we need to improve the AI translation part in order to match the segmentation, which is the most important thing. Even if even if we don't have a good translation quality, at least we should have a similar segmentation. We will try working on that one. And then we have another option, which another issue, which is the exporting the translation project as a bilingual text in a single file. I think we will ship all the file in, like, we will ship as a different file, as well as we will ship another file which is in a bilingual format. That will be zipped in a single folder and ship it as a downloadable thing. Then we will also try to work on how to sync the table of content annotation part. Like if we annotate a table of content in a source or a target language, it should reflect on the both thing. We will try to work on that one.
Right.
And then we will try to work on the footnote incorporation thing. Yeah, I think these are the four main issues that we have found as of now during this call. But I think I would like to request Jennifer that if you can look into the editor and see whatever we have presented today, are they working as per expectation or not. If you are able to find any bug, do let us know, please. You can directly, you can either email us what is the issue, or you can report the issue on our GitHub project board.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a link, right? Link you will send to me.
Yes, we will send it to you. We will send it to you. I think, Kushan, can you send the GitHub project board link along with the release note to Jennifer, so that she can directly access and see how to report the issue, where to report the issue also. Other than that, I guess we are good.
I just have a product idea that I think what will make this product very popular.
Yeah.
Which I don't think it's possible to implement it, but if you able to export the translation in a beautiful Pecha format, then all the Dharma centers is going to love this.
Sure.
I think you did it for Chadra.
Yes, we did.
Told me you did some beautiful layout.
Yes.
If it's actually possible to implement that, many people will love your product.
Sure.
Just for that feature alone, because people go through so much headache using eDesign to lay out the Pecha format, right?
Sure.
So you can provide one click and you create Pecha. Is it complicated?
No, it is.
Difficult?
No, it is not. We have.
Really? Oh wow.
Yeah, because last time when we tried to do that, we have found a Pecha template which is made for Google Word document. So MS Word there's a you can create template for certain document that you want to print. So we have found a Pecha format template. I think if we can get it back and reuse that one, it's okay. Or else we can create a new Google Doc template on which we will be printing all the translation and then shipping it as a final product.
That would be great.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
Then it's really worth releasing it, to the public.
Sure.
People will be very happy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay,
I will wait for the link.
I have one question.
Yeah.
About the table of content one. Is it like if we create a H1 on the line number 5, the line number 5 of the translation becomes H1?
Yes. That's what she's expecting.
Yes. So that means you only need to do one time. Because if the translator have to do 2 times, they will find it too much a headache. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for the good work. I know it looks very simple, but it's not easy. So thank you. So I wait for the link and I will test it.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. You want to talk to Nawang?
Yes.
You need me to call?
Yes.
Okay.
We
So
have Anna.
Okay. Just give me 1 second. I'll call him over. Okay.
Okay.
1 second. Okay.
So, thank you. Okay, Kun-san, thank you.
Sir, another one.
Yeah, I think that's it.